Have you ever wondered why some days you have so much energy and you can get lots and lots of things done? And then other days when you're trying to do those really important tasks, you don't know exactly what's wrong, but you're low energy. Well, there's something that you can control that I'm going to talk about today. Hey, my name is Jen, and I help network marketing leaders just like you authentically and successfully build their business online. Network marketers are very busy. My guess is that you have a laundry list of things that you're doing every day, just like everyone does. You might be running around after kids, maybe you have a full-time job, and you're trying to work your business in the nooks and crannies. Some of you are full-time, and you have the whole day to do your activities, but some days you have the energy to do it and some days you don't. This all comes down to using your natural energy rhythms and deciding to do the high priority activities during the times that you have the most energy. This is all called energy mapping. You may have heard of it before. I've talked about it a couple of times. I wanted to do a real brief dive into it today. Energy mapping has been around for so many years. And if you think about just hearing even about circadian rhythms, how people can get up in the morning because of the sunlight. Animals get up because of the sunlight and then go to bed when it gets dark. That's one of the reasons why when there's daylight savings time, a lot of people have trouble because it's dark earlier in the evening. When you think about energy mapping, you want to start to learn where are your high energy times. Do you have a lot of energy first thing in the morning? Do you have a lot of energy late at night? Do you have a slump after you eat lunch in the afternoon? Once you know what your personal energy rhythms are, and remember, everybody's energy rhythms are different. Don't think that one's better than the other or that you should try to be like somebody else because you're uniquely you. You look at your day, you look at where your energy is high, and that's where you put your high priority tasks in. Maybe you have to do some creation of content, or maybe you've got some really important business opportunity presentations. That would be the time that you would want to look at high energy times to book those. Maybe you've got that lull in the afternoon. Maybe it's right after lunch and you're a little bit tired, or maybe you're high energy after lunch. Everybody's different. But look at your day and put the high priority activities in during the high energy times. And then in the low energy times, select to do some different things. Maybe that's when you actually go on a walk to give yourself some more energy. Maybe that's when you do some of the paperwork in your office. Maybe that's when you create your newsletters or you do some content planning if that's something that you can do when you're low energy. But it really doesn't matter what you choose to do in terms of your day as far as your energy. Just use your natural energy rhythms to your advantage. If you'd like to know more about energy mapping, just let me know. I've got a couple of tools that might help you. But in the meantime, just take that first glance and look at about a week's time. Look at every single day and figure out where your high energy times are and where your low energy times are. Until the next time, make today outstanding.